Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a sweet and sour chicken stir fry with green beans. So I've got my pan heating up on medium-high heat with a little bit of peanut oil for our chicken, which we're going to cook, pull off once it's done, and then we'll add it back in once we saute our vegetables. But first, we need to make our sauce. So I have a little bit of finely chopped or grated ginger. I've also got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a teaspoon of chili powder. And I always measure out just a little bit extra cornstarch just in case you need it to thicken it up. We also have orange juice. We have our rice wine vinegar. We have soy sauce. While we're doing this, we have green beans in our steamer steaming up. I'm going to whisk all this together. Once you get it started, then you can add in some honey. Honey is one of my favorite sweeteners. You can use it anytime that it calls for sugar or anytime you just want to touch a sweetness in anything. Whisk that up, and then you want to let this set on the side. We'll whisk it back up before adding it in with our stir fry in a few moments. So we'll let that set. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we've got our chicken, which is coated in a little bit of peanut oil. Begin to saute it. Alright, so we've got some nice color on our chicken. I'm going to set these aside. We'll add those back to the pan in just a few minutes. Alright, so now we're getting ready to saute our vegetables. We're going to add just a touch more oil to the pan. Go in with a handful or 2 of our peas. Alright, go in with our red bell pepper and our yellow bell pepper. A quick season. Let this go for just a couple of minutes. They're nice and vibrant, so we're going to add our sauce in now. We're going to add our chicken back in. Sauce all this together. You can kill the heat at this point. We will serve this with our brown rice and our green beans. And we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.